important job.
Mama!
Running faster than a train? Jump tall buildings?
Mama!
Do you want to
Mama!
tell me what to do?
Mama! Mama!
We need some new
Mama!
clothes for George, please.
Mama!
While you're in this is a
Mama!
job. We need to now hold your
Mama!
arms out. Tickle him. I promise I
Mama!
won't tickle you, George.
Mama!
Good.
Mama!
Strong boy you are.
Mama! Oh, Mama! Oh, Papa! Mama! 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 Mama!
Oh no!
Dada,
Say sorry to mama.
sorry.
What will you say? What did you say? What did you say? Say sorry to mama. Ouchie. Say sorry to mama. Ew! Is that saliva? No! Pahiranong ko. Yucks! Di mo, Jamie, no! No, ha, no. That's not good. Yucks! Nahid ka, ha? No! I said no. Don't do it again.
It's still not really.
No, 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 no.
What about this? Basically,
Ikaw na lang kumit. Ikaw, teka. Hello. Ew, saliva. Ew.
So George didn't get any new clothes then.
I'll be hiding. I'll be hiding again.
yes, let's all play in the garden.
Oopsie. Don't do it again. Hey, what are you doing? No. Bye-bye. 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 Bye.
Mom, why?
Oi, what happened? Oh, so sorry, so sorry. Huh? Did you bump your head? Oh, sorry, baby. I'm so sorry. You have your boo-boo? Where's your boo-boo? Where's your boo-boo? Where's your boo-boo, my baby? Oh, you hurt your head? I'm so sorry, baby. Big love mama, big love mama. Big love mama. Yeah. Yeah, you hit your head in there, yeah. You say bye na. Bye. Bye, everyone. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Yeah. I love you, baby. How old are you? 2. You say 2. You say 2. You say 2. You count to be 1. 1. You say blue. You say yellow. You say orange. What's that? Peppa Pig. Ew, is that a booger? Not again. No. No, I said no. Stop it, okay? Jimmy, stop picking your nose. Don't wipe it on mama. That's funky again. No, I said no. Jimmy. No. Ew, booger. Booger and saliva. Ew. Oopsie. Not again. Uh-oh. Sleep na tayo. Sleep na tayo. Good night na bibabay na bibabay. You say red. You say red. You say red. You say red. Red. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. You say red. I. You say black.
Yes, back.
No, this is blue. This one, your hair. What color is your hair? Very good.
Mama,
Yeah. What color is mama's hair?
back.
Very good. What color is your pillow?
White.
White. Very good. What color is your air conditioner?
White.
Very good. What color is your pants? Huh? Purple? Say bye. You say bye. Bye. Flying kiss. Uy, what's happening? Bye.